I'm Megan Cost. I've been a public educator for 9 years, and I'm here to teach you some newfangled math so you can help your own child or your student succeed. Today, we're going to be learning how to use partial sums to add 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. Let's start with our 2-digit numbers. Partial sums uses the expanded form of numbers to break apart the tens and ones so that it's easier to see when you need to regroup. So let's take an equation like 84 plus 55. The first thing we need to do is write each number in expanded form. I'm going to write the second addend right below the other addend in expanded form so that my ones and my tens are lined up. From here, I'm going to add 80 plus 50 equals 140. 4 plus 5 equals 9. In this situation, I don't have to regroup, so it's a lot easier to see that 140 plus 9 equals 149. But let's change this equation just slightly to see what we need to do if we do need to regroup. So instead of 84 plus 55, let's try 84 plus 59. I'm still going to write both addends in expanded form, one on top of the other. I add my tens to get 140. 4 plus 9 actually equals 13. Well, now I have to be able to add these two numbers, and I can see that I'm going to need to add something to my tens place. So this would be a situation where I would now use the standard algorithm to stack and add. Zero plus 3 is just 3. 4 tens plus 1 10 is 5 tens, and 100 plus nothing in the hundreds place equals 100. So my answer is 153. Now let's try it with 3-digit numbers. I'm going to add 308 plus 219. I'm still going to start by writing each number, each addend, in expanded form. Normally when I write 308 in expanded form, I would not include the 0 for the tens place, but because I'm using this as a way of adding these two numbers together with partial sums, I need to see that there are 0 tens in this number. So I'm going to include that 0. I'm going to start with my hundreds. 300 plus 200s equals 500s. I'm going to add 10 and 0 to get 10. 9 plus 8 equals 17. So now this is a case where I would need to stack and add or use the standard algorithm to show that I'm going to have to add something to my tens place. So I'm going to add 500 plus 10 plus 17. Notice when I do this, I'm lining up my place value really nicely. If you have students or you have a child that struggles with that, sometimes I tell my students to go ahead and draw the lines to represent the place value, and I'll even tell them to put O, T, and H for ones, tens, and hundreds. Now I'm going to add 0 plus 0 plus 7 equals 7. 110 plus 110 equals 2 tens. 5 plus nothing in the hundreds place equals 5 hundreds. So my answer is 527. Well, that's it. Thanks so much for joining me. If you liked this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I put out new videos. See you next time.